Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Black Moon Lilith Cosmic Alchemy Oracle, a 44 card deck and guidebook by Adama Sesay with artwork by Carlos Fama. Hopefully I'm pronouncing those names correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This is published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck my way. I am very excited. And this retails for $19.99 in the US and $25.99 in Canada. And always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. Become an empowered creator of your reality through the dark divine feminine. Created by Adama Sesay of Lilith Astrology, the Black Moon Lilith Cosmic Alchemy Oracle channels the alchemy of ancient archetypes like Lilith and Adam, the first man and woman, whose narrative is steeped in rebellion and transformation. It combines the esoteric wisdom of astrology, Black Moon Lilith through the 12 zodiac signs, dark divine deities, and hermetic alchemy to activate healing, shadow work, and self-actualization. All right. I love the little thumb holes there. I will always say that. It just makes everything easier to open. Break free and reclaim your power. Yes. And the Lilith sign there. Okay, let's take a peek at the guidebook real fast before we get into the cards. I just want to make sure we know what we're doing with utilizing this for the women in my family who influence my work. Oh, I love that. We have introduction, and we have some information about Black Moon Lilith and what and who. Nice, so great. Lots of information here about the cards, using the cards, and then healing oracle spreads. And then it's sectioned out. So we have the Black Moon Lilith cards, the Dark Divine Archetype cards, Astrological Planet cards, and then Alchemy Ascension cards. Nice. Healing. Great. Okay, this is a lot of stuff that I'm going to need to read through on my own time. I'm not going to make you guys listen to me read all of it. So we have key terms, fantastic. The magnum opus, or 12 gates of alchemy. And then we have the 7 hermetic principles about the cards. This is where we need to be right here. Is a tool for deep self-reflection and inner transformation. It can be used daily, weekly, or incorporated into your shadow work and alchemy practice when you feel it's necessary. You can also use the cards to work with clients, intuitively guiding them through the knowledge of the cards. They serve as a companion shadow work tool alongside the book, Black Moon Lilith Rising. If you are experiencing a rough patch or need guidance on a specific issue, these cards will help you find the answer within yourself. There are a total of 44 cards with 4 card sets within the deck, which we went over. Each card has a bespoke interpretation guiding you through the meaning and how to energetically work through your concern. These oracle cards incorporate the wisdom of the divine feminine and masculine astrology and hermetic alchemy to help identify and work through the blocks or shadows that are holding you back in life. They are also a powerful tool to intuitively guide important decisions and choices that are coming. And then we have spreads. So we have the 1 daily oracle spread, intuitive oracle spread with 3 cards, cosmic shadow astrological spread with 3, as within, so without manifestation spread. Ooh, that will be interesting. Lunar illumination spread with 4 cards. Astrological ancestral healing spread with 5 cards. And Black Moon Lilith dark alchemy spread. And Adam and Lilith's relationship spread. Ooh. Wow, there's a lot here. Alchemy ascension spread. And then it goes into the cards. Each card integrates the story of the ancient archetypes Lilith and Adam and includes healing shadow work prompts. Oh, nice. Okay. And then we'll pull a card after the flip through to really get in tune with how to utilize this deck. Okay, and I just messed that up on the corner after pulling that off. But there's the back. It's got a gloss to it. Let's take a look at the cardstock. Yep, Hay House cardstock. Nice. It's a little bit on the thinner side. but it does have that glossy coating that will help the card snap back. Oh, okay. So we have a number in the corner here, the title, and like a little blurb. Stunning. This is pretty. I do like the little blurbs. I think that is perfect. You deserve balance. I love that. Oh. Oh, honor your boundaries. That one's hard, huh? Okay, so then we have a Lilith, Dark Divine Mother of Creation. Eve, Divine Feminine Awakening. Adam, Dark Divine Father of Creation. Adama, Mother Earth. Oh, that's really pretty. The Phoenix, Death and Rebirth. The Black Madonna, Sacred Dark Goddess Mother. Mary Magdalene, Divine Loyal Goddess. Ashira, Mother of the Gods. Very vivid. Queen Jezebel, Magnetic Royal Witch. The Sun, Your Soul's Purpose. The Moon, Intuition and Emotional Healing. Mercury, Communication and Truth. Venus, Love and Abundance. I love the body chain. Oh my gosh. Mars, Drive, Energy and Passion. Oh, that's not going to focus. There we go. Jupiter, Expansion, Prosperity and Growth. Saturn, age, reality, and discipline. Uranus, spark of genius and ascension. Neptune, magic, imagination, and illusion. Pluto, endings and regeneration. The nodes of the moon, release, clear, and align. The serenity. Calcination, dark night of the soul. Dissolution, emotional clearing. Oh, very interesting. Separation, division, and integration. Huh. Conjunction, becoming whole again. Putrefaction, shadow release. Putrefaction. Coagulation, soul ascension. Sebation, purity, cleanse, and release. Sublimation. Sublimation, spiritual magic. That's really cool. Fermentation, patience and maturity. Exaltation, master manifester. Multiplication, your higher self. And the last one, projection, your spiritual gold. This is very interesting. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Definitely can see how it's great for shadow work. Also for learning planets and astrology. Yeah, shuffle's just great. Let's see how it shuffles this way. Oh, that one wanted to come out, but yeah, shuffle's great. I don't have an issue at all with how it shuffles, but we're going to read for Jupiter, expansion, prosperity, and growth. Number 27. All right. It's a positive sign from the universe when the Jupiter card shows up in a reading. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun and the largest in the solar system. Just like its physical size, it manifests growth and expansion as it moves and it speaks with the planets in your chart. Jupiter is here to light your way toward progress. You also can feel the urge to delve into your spiritual and shadow work practice or have the opportunity to teach others. Jupiter represents knowledge and the higher perspective you gain from spiritual ascension. When this card appears, expect new people, places, and experiences to come into your life and elevate your consciousness. Travel can be incredibly healing for you at this time. In ancient Roman mythology, Jupiter was the king of the gods, known as Zeus in Greece. He controlled the sky, thunder, and weather. Jupiter rules over the optimistic fire sign of Sagittarius and the intuitive water sign of Pisces, with each representing one of the planet's 2 sides. Sagittarius invokes the lucky, expansive half, while Pisces invokes the spiritual, intuitive, and imaginative side. In your birth chart, your Jupiter sign can indicate how you can create wealth, experience, and growth in your life. It reveals what comes easily to you, what your talent is, and your key to abundance. Identify your Jupiter sign in your birth chart and check the following list to see how you manifest through this planet of growth. Oh, and then it gives you, okay, if your Jupiter is in Aries, for instance, forward-thinking leadership is how to manifest. Oh, that's really cool. So it gives you a whole breakdown And then it says, a burst of luck and abundance is on its way. The universe is here to support you. That's really, I like this a lot. I just wanted to see Lilith and Black women. This is what I wanted to touch on. Even though the Black Moon Lilith Cosmic Alchemy Oracle is a healing tool for all of humanity, the imagery centers on the Black woman. Lilith's story of suppression and demonization is heavily reflected in the lives of modern Black women across the African diaspora. Black feminist group, the Combahee River Collective, made a statement in 1977 that rings true today. Quote, if Black women were free, it would mean that everyone else would have to be free, since our freedom would necessitate the destruction of all the systems of oppression, end quote. When we heal the most oppressed, suppressed, and misunderstood women on the planet through the power of Lilith, we ultimately can heal the world and restore balance. Most crimes against Black women go unnoticed, even police brutality, by mainstream news or major activist groups in the United States, even as Black women experience the highest murder rate in the United States of any ethnic group, according to the Centers for Disease Control. Atrocities like femicide, I'm going to say rape, and female, I'm not going to say it, mutilation continue to occur among women of African descent worldwide. Intersectionality has proven that not only do Black women endure racially charged violence and trauma, but also the dangerous effects of misogyny, widely called misogynoir, coined by professor and author Dr. Moya Bailey, in digital activism spaces. There is much healing and transformation to be found for everyone in the archetypes of Adam and Lilith. If you experience power struggles, setbacks, challenges, and suppression in your life, Black Moon Lilith within your chart can help you unlock and end the cycle. It's time to step out of self-sabotage and into self-empowerment as a collective through healing the dark divine feminine within. Wow. Love that. I love that there's acknowledgement there. I have goosebumps. Love that. I am so for this deck. I think that there's a lot of really good healing in here, as well as really good information as far as astrology goes. I think this is great. The artwork is a little trippy. It's kind of computer generated in a way. I don't know how it's made. I don't think it's AI, as we have an artist here, but I think it's great. I think it's different. I love the focus on Black women. I think it's spectacular. We have all different shapes, hairstyles. It's fantastic. Love that. I really don't have a complaint. I think it's beautiful. I love the history behind it. I love how it's made. I love the acknowledgement. I'm going to be really excited to use this and get to know this. This is very empowering as well. So, I mean, it might not be for everyone as far as the art style goes, or it might not be something that people connect to as far as the divine feminine goes, but however you identify, whoever you are, I think there's value in this. So with that being said, thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way. I am so excited to get to know it better. And now I want to know what you guys think. Let me know if this has been on your wish list. Has it been on your radar? Are you just now finding out about it? Let me know in the comment section below. And I believe there's a Lilith sign in the emojis, so drop a Lilith sign if you have made it this far in the video. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.